Alright guys, I have 3 trades running and I'm going to give you a breakdown or a walkthrough on these trades. I have the New Zealand CHF trade, I have the Euro CHF, and I have GBP JPY. As you can see, CHF is appearing here on the New Zealand CHF, then here Euro CHF. So let's quickly deal with those two. So let's get started. Let's go to trading view. I'm on trading view. Let's start with New Zealand dollar CHF. First, there are two angles to this trade. There is the fundamental point of view, then there is the technical analysis side to it. So let's start with the fundamental point of view. If you come to Forex Factory, 2 weeks ago, the Swiss National Bank, they reduced benchmark interest rates, and I've explained this over and over again. If a country increases its interest rate, then the currency of that country would appreciate. However, if a country reduces or cuts its interest rates, then the currency of that country would depreciate. It will lose value because investors will move away from that country. They will go and invest in a country where they are increasing rates, where yields on their debt instrument, on their treasury bill notes, on their bonds is high. That is where investors would rather go, right? And let me delight you to know, among the G10 countries, Japan, US, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Switzerland is the first to cut its interest rate this year. It's only on this channel you'll find detailed and granular information like that. I already have an indication of where the Swiss franc is going already, right? So I just have to look at currency pairs that can give me a perfect trading opportunity. And I saw on New Zealand CHF. See, let me show you something. On the weekly time frame, this was last week candle. You know how I always love to do my analysis. I love to do what we call a top down analysis or multiple time frame analysis. I saw the formation of these two candlestick patterns. This is the running candle for the week. This is the running candle for the week. But the previous week closed with an inverted bullish hammer, and this two candlestick pattern, it is called the bullish arrow. If you go to my book, if you get this book, it's available on wallstreetfinance.com, Hack to Price Action Trading. You will find these two patterns, this particular pattern, these two on page 119. It's called the bullish arrow pattern. All right, so those two, I just had to go to the lower time frame to mark my entries. I went to the 1 hour time frame and I started buying here. Well, there would always be drawdown, right? Price went down a little bit, can you see, to come and test this support level, and I entered other trades on it, right? And as you can see, we are going up. Where do I see price going on this chart? Let me map it out for you. I'm a swing trader, so I always trade from one swing low to the swing high, right? So because I've entered a buy trade, I've gone long on this trade, then I'll be riding it all the way here. I started entering here, so from here to here, yes. And how many pips would that give me? You just pull up your price range to here, this one, I started buying here, correct? So to here, that's 68 pips. Not bad, not bad, not bad. But I expect price to fill everything here. And as you can see, that is where I set my take profit. Then Euro CHF, we said the CHF is going to lose value, right? That means if CHF is appearing as a quote currency, this is a base currency, this is a quote currency. What that indirectly means is that the base currency would appreciate against the quote currency, right? So NZD CHF is going to go up, CHF is going to lose value, New Zealand dollar is going to gain value. That's what it basically means. For Euro CHF, let's go to Euro CHF. What did I see? Weekly time frame, let's go there. You can see the formation of an inverted bullish hammer. What did we break? We broke this structure, right? This high was broken. Inverted bullish hammer, you'll find it on page 34 of this book. I explain how to trade it, the conditions to look out for, where to take your profit, where to cut your loss. Everything is very detailed here. So that was why I entered this trade, inverted bullish hammer seen on the weekly time frame. Then on the 1 hour time frame, I just came to look for perfect entry levels. But let me show you something very fascinating about the Euro CHF. Let me come to the weekly time frame. Can you see? And no, I'm not making this up. For the past 8 weeks, if you count these candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the past 8 weeks, that is 2 months, the Euro CHF has been in an uptrend. Can you see? Price is just going up. And this is the 9th week. The same thing is happening. Price always repeat itself. Okay, so that's why I entered the Euro CHF. Where am I going to take profit? At the swing high. Where is the swing high? It's clearly here. You can see it here. Okay, I started entering the trade somewhere around here, as you can see here. This is my entry candle. You can see it here. Price has gone up, so it's somewhere here. So let me just put it this one. Yes. So how many pips is that going to give me? Let's check it out. Price range to just draw 90 pips. You can see it, 90 pips. That is fantastic. So what is my expectation? Price is going to keep going up to this level. The swing high for 90 pips movement. It's a $5,000 account, $5,027 floating equity. So I will surely update you on this trade. Okay, talk to you soon.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, this is an update on our trade. Okay, we've hit take profit on New Zealand CHF and on Euro CHF. On New Zealand CHF, remember, as you can see, this is the take profit. New Zealand CHF, we started buying here. Can you see? And price went straight to hit our take profit. How many pips were we able to catch there? 70 pips. Okay, 68 pips. It's fairly decent. Then on Euro CHF, if you still remember the trade, this is Euro CHF. Same thing. We started buying here. Our take profit was here. And see what happened. Price went to smash our take profit. For how many pips? Let's calculate. Started buying here. We got out here. 90 pips. And if you look at my history so that you don't think I'm making any of this up, this is a New Zealand CHF trade. Can you see? Take profit. And this is the Euro CHF trade. Take profit also. And so far, so good. I've made $2,600 on this account, on this 5K account, which is already over 50%. And look at these guys. Can you see the lot size I use on my trades? 0.02, 0.05. This is how I want your account to be. Blue. I want you to always be making profit. This is the withdrawal I made last week, right? I withdrew that money. The account went back to $5,000 and I've started building it back. That is how to trade. I have to be honest with you guys. Trading is about timing. Can you see what happened after price hit our take profit? See what happened. It started retracing. Same thing with the Euro CHF. Let's go to Euro CHF. Euro CHF, the same thing. Immediately price hit our take profit. It just went a little bit and it started retracing. So you don't want to be greedy. Always take your profit at your take profit level. Don't be greedy. In Wall Street, there's a popular saying. They would say, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Pigs are the greedy ones, get slaughtered. And I can only time this trade when to enter, when to get out because of my understanding of price action analysis. You can clearly see that I don't have any indicator on my chart. I understand price action and I have identified some candlestick patterns. And that was what I traded. All my proprietary candlestick patterns are well documented in this book, Hack to Price Action Trading. So if you come to wallstreetfinance.com, wallstreetfinance.com, you can get this book. It's a book you want to get. Okay? That is how I've been able to, constantly make money on this account. And by the way, I've been operating this account for like 7-8 months now. And I've not blown it. And I don't think I will blow it because I adopt proper risk management, as you can see here. Even if this account goes below $5,000, I'm sure I'm still going to build it back because of my experience and because I adopt proper risk management. That's all I have for you guys. If you found value in this video, I want you to like it and I want you to share with just 5 of your friends. Till I come your way again, signing out, your boy, the boy Hedger. Bye bye.